Welcome to another episode from Tonex Training. This is the day for systems engineer. Systems engineers are truly professed in enforcing new systems, fixing crimes and perfecting performance through system upgrades.
Cybersecurity Systems Engineering Training, CSET. Powered by Tonex.com.
These are many of the reasons why systems masterminds, systems engineers, are so precious in the fight against cybercriminals. In fact, a recent report reveals that 2 out of 3 companies are planning on espousing AI security results this time. AI, artificial intelligence, can efficiently dissect stoner actions, conclude a pattern, and identify all feathers of abnormalities or irregularities in the network. With similar data, it's much easier to identify cyber vulnerabilities snappily. Systems engineers have developed, or are in the process of developing, AI security operations for just about every known type of cybercrime.
Sign up for Cybersecurity Systems Engineering Training. Available online, on-site, and live online.
Systems engineers are also fastening on cryptography, a system of guarding information in dispatches through the use of code, so that only those for whom the information is intended can read and reuse it. This includes ways similar as microdots, incorporating words with images, and other ways to hide information in storehouse or conveyance. Still, in Moment's computer-centric world, cryptography is most frequently associated with scrabbling plaintext, ordinary textbook, occasionally appertained to as clear text, into ciphertext, a process called encryption, also back-again known as decryption.
Yay, systems engineer need to know each and every point of cyber activities so that they can act faster to ensure data security. Tonex offers a 3 days professional level training on cybersecurity systems engineering. This training provides you with an interdisciplinary approach of system engineering in order to achieve a secure information system in cyber world. Cybersecurity systems engineering training helps you to relate the cybersecurity problems to the real world and to apply a systems engineering approach to satisfy the security of information technology.
This CSET training covers everything related to cybersecurity. Learn fundamentals of cybersecurity and systems engineering approach, cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities, insider threats in a cybersecurity, malicious software, malware, cryptography, information assurance in cybersecurity, network security, software and hardware security, web security, risk management technology, disaster recovery and business continuity, incident response, hands-on, workshops, and group activities.
Request more information. Sign up for Cybersecurity Systems Engineering Training. Available online, on-site and live online. Please visit us on www.tonex.com.